NGOs and members of the European Parliament are calling for greater transparency on vaccine contracts. Brussels aims to purchase 2 billion doses from 6 different companies, but little is actually known about the purchasing details, from how much they cost, when they can be delivered, and to what extent the pharmaceutical companies are responsible for if anything goes wrong once a jab has been given.
Who is liable when and if there is a health problem? The private company or the member state? I mean, it's something that should be public. There is no reason to have confidentiality clauses on this one.
So far, Brussels says secrecy is needed in the interest of ongoing negotiations and also to protect industrial secrets. But there are some practical and necessary details being kept hidden, like the timeline for vaccine deliveries.
That's a key element. Week after week, what is the delivery commitment taken by the pharmaceutical companies? And actually, again, the answer today is we don't know.
In December, a Belgian minister accidentally tweeted the price list of the EU vaccines. The case highlighted the lack of transparency on the financial aspects of the deals, and is something that could severely weaken public trust, according to one expert.
Adding a degree of transparency to that will help build confidence, show that money's been used effectively and is in the public interest. We've seen huge sums of money going into the COVID response. And this should eventually become the embedded norm, that by doing so we can help build trust in vaccines and in pharmaceuticals.
But the European Commission committed Monday to improving vaccine transparency. As a first step, they'll disclose the contract signed with CureVac, but only for MEPs.
Let's be clear. The Commission has always said that it wants to be as transparent as possible in the framework that is the one under which we have been negotiating the contracts with the vaccine developers, with the pharmaceutical companies. And we are working on this and, of course, hope to make progress on this. And if there are developments in this regard, we will make announcements as soon as possible.
MEPs will now grill the chief vaccine negotiator Tuesday in the hope of getting clearer answers from the Commission. Christopher Pitches, Euronews, Brussels.